good.
Tuwa na kayo sa house kasi
Nag-arrive na kami guys sa bahay ni Jada.
andun yung
Jada, what can you say?
I'm so happy that you guys are here. I can't believe it.
Oh my gosh, may nalaglag na bag.
May important ko. Parang wala na.
Wala naman kami narinig na nag-splash.
Ilalagay natin talaga.
Asa ba?
Ako mag-iwan ng sana.
Oh, what can you say?
Hi, Gio. Good morning.
Good morning, Imida. Good morning, Imida. Good morning, Imida. Annyeonghaseyo. Alam mo yung get up nyo pang pang beach party. Hindi.
Ano yung get up mo? Pakita natin yung get up.
Ang get up ko lang naman ay
Baka naka-off shop pa rin eh. Ano?
konti lang kasi yung time ko to prepare, like 45 minutes.
Sino may kasalanan?
Ako. Galing kasi ako com shop. and
Nag-com shop
everything.
mo na siya.
Ang galing eh. Ayun na pala si Kuya. Tara.
Pumunta lang kami sa sa abode niya. Ayan kasama na, ayan na si Ash. Annyeonghaseyo.
T-shirts ko.
Andito to, ayun
Love. Yes. Mabango tana.
May wow.
May wow.
Hoy, may natutulog pa. Okay. So, nandito kami sa abode ni Jada. Where's Barkley?
Barkley, come here naman so we can touch you. Touch you.
Touch. Guys, JL.
cooked us food.
Yeah, this is so good.
Which is so good, which is like a very good source of protein. Because how many protein is in this one?
Hindi ko na-measure.
Tapos potatoes. Love.
Guys, we're on the way. Oh my god, you guys.
I'll show the food.
Show the food.
Nom.
Prepared by him. It was so good, amazing. I'm gonna rate it a 3 out of 5. So guys, stop over kami agad kahit hindi pa kami nakainit sa upuan namin.
Yeah, sorry. Can you get my wallet? Sa gilid mo naman.
Hindi pa tayo nainit dun sa upuan, nag-stop over na agad.
Kain agad.
May video ka.
Lalapit ako sa wallet ko today. This is my personal wallet today.
Ano ba? May utang pa yan siya sa akin na 500.
Personal wallet today.
Where's the nuggets?
Guys, they be so dumb. They don't know how to order.
Where's the nuggets? So, wala siya. Oh my God, wala pa. Where's the ano?
Andito kami guys, mga pariwara. Bakit? Nahipak. Mga pariwara. Nahipak kaming pretties. Yeah. Ang ano to, ang inat. So ito yung aming view. Ayun sila, nagme-makeup sila.
Share naman tayo sa pagkain. Hindi, okay na. Kasi share na tayo sa food.
Onde agora eu quero ver você descer. Balança a bunda,
Party na guys! Gising na si Gia!
eu quero ver você
Okay, Aura, magyari si Galing bagong gising!
Guys, we've arrived.
Lapit na, feeling ko mamaya, konting babad na lang ni Gia.
Ay! Got on kami! Ipopost ko to, be! Ano masasabi mo doon? Cancel.
Kahit naman hindi pa siya may sinasabi ko.
Kasi naman po si Jose S. Reyes.
Kasi,
Ah! peacock, guys. What can you say about the peacock, y'all? I wanna see your peacock, cock, cock, your peacock, cock. Guys, so dinadala pa rin kami. Pero I love it. Oh, fur. So the fam. What can you say?
The pool does not look clean.
It looks like
Looks muddy.
there's a lot of.
Yeah, but it looks muddy.
It looks muddy, but that's fine. I'm gonna.
Parang ang dami ng bata umihi dyan.
Oh my god! Oh, look at the view. Oh, guys.
Mama Juana! Party na, guys! Ayok na yung video.
Guys. So magpipicture ata sila.
Water, one, two, hindi!
Sobrang clear ng tubig, grabe.
Ay, talaga ba? Anong masasabi mo naman ngayong nandito na tayo sa Laiya ka Toxic? Hanggang dito.
Ano ka na suso ni Bading eh? Okay, so right now, magla-lunch na kami. What are you guys planning to buy?
Dubai cake. Do they have? No, they don't. Do they have? Do they have Dubai cherry cookie? Because if they do have, I'll get it. Hey, by the way, sinong kumuha ng Dubai chewy cookie na nasa ano? Sobrang sarap ka mo. It was on par with Akumi.
Ah, the Ellis.
Yeah. It was actually
Si
good.
Jonathan.
Ang galing.
Amazing, right? Masarap yung white pistachio.
Oh, I haven't tasted it.
So, what will you order today? Padaan daw.
Padaan.
Guys, so we're seated. What will you buy?
I want hipon.
Hipon
Yes.
and
And buko. Is there buko?
Guys, so, sinin ko sa GC.
hindi. Ay, oh. Alam, mga pisan kasi yan. Guys, we're still waiting for our food. What did we order?
I don't know.
Sisig.
I don't
Ala.
remember. Hindi ko nag-order.
Sisig.
Sisi.
Inasal.
We ordered Coca-Cola,
We did not order calamari.
Steamed rice.
bagong rice.
That's all I
Amazing. So, I'm gonna show you guys the food later. So, we've been waiting for 2 hours. What happened?
Their slow service.
Yeah, slow service. Was too strict. Wala din naman nangyari.
And the food better be worth it actually because it's expensive and they made us wait ng matagal.
Yeah, actually.
What she said.
What she said.
What she said.
What she said. Yeah, just give updates then.
Diba? Saka kasi ina-update mo yung pinag-aantay mo.
Hey guys, so ngayon na lang kami nakapag-update.
Hindi pa rin tapos ang vlog niya.
Pero ano kami, papunta kaming coffee. Nakauwi na kami guys. Ang bagal ng biyahe namin. Like legit, we're gonna cry. What can you say? It was horrible.
Yeah,
ride.
it was the
The ride home.
ikot-ikot, you know?
Yeah.
The hilo-hilo. Uy, ano?
Okay guys, so nakarating kami. We're here at Paseo right now. Beep beep.
Iba mo yung gamit dyan, Ben?
Beep beep beep.
Ay,
Beep, beep,
hindi
beep.
pala. Magbubook na tayo ng Grab dito eh.
Beep beep beep. I'm not tired.
I did.
Pwede pa kuha yung green bag.
Tayo din no? Hindi, babalik pa ba tayo sa car na to?
Hindi na ako babalik. Andito pa gamit ko. Hindi, sige.
Oo, dito na muna yung mga gamit. Dito na tayo bumalik. So, we're here. May hinahabol na cafe si Jada. Pinipilit niya.
Pasok na kayo doon. Pasok na kayo doon.
Samantalang kami, eto lang. So, right now, medyo wala nang laman to ah. Medyo sarado na, I mean. Ay! May slope pal. So dito ata kami guys. May coffee. Oh, it's ano lang. So smooth. We are rejected guys. They don't have ice. And we have... Ito. What is this ba? Seoul Tokyo. Wala na daw silang ice. Pwede naman sila manghiram dito. Ito lang. Naka-inventory ba yung ice? I don't know. Oh, what? Pararararam. Boom pala eh. So,
Guys, super fun kasama ni Gio. Like, ang ingay ng biyahe.
paano kung wala ako? Baka hindi kayo nag-uusap.
Uy!
He's technically 2007.
Parang 7.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ikaw? 2005. Ikaw, 2007. 6 po. Ikaw?
2005. May 6, 21 years old, from Muntinlupa City, Philippines.
Audition kang ano.
Are you from Las Vegas?
Ayun.
Ayun. Anong year mo? 1966. Ganda. Grabe. So we're still ordering.
Video din ako nung sa'yo. Inaano mo si Ryan?
The bitch will have a picture of us. This is my drink. White hot chocolate. May batong to. Magka-convoy kami ni Jose.